Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create your own Snapchat filter. In order for you to create a Snapchat filter, for you to download the app, all you need to do is head over to the menu icon here at the top right, then click on Lens Studio. From here, you can download it to your computer. Once you have downloaded it, it'll look something like this. Simply click on Start a New Project. I'm just going to select Default for this time. And you'll be brought to a page like this, where you can create your own lenses. On the right hand side, you'll be able to see someone. This is basically so you can see what your lens will look like. In order to add effects, all you need to do is head over to the top left here on Asset Library, and you can add anything that you'd like from here. For example, I could go to 3D and add, let's say, these sunglasses. All I'd need to do is click on Import. And now you'll see here on the asset browser, I have sunglasses. All I need to do is drag it up. And then from here, if I click on them, I'll be able to change the position. As we can see, obviously that's not where sunglasses are supposed to go. And they are also quite small. So I can make them bigger by changing the scale, like something like that. And I can also see they're a bit too low. So I can bring them up on the y-axis, let's say by 5. And there you go. Once you are done creating your own filter, simply click up here on the top right to publish, and you'll be asked to log in. Once you log in, just follow the steps and that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments below. Thank you for watching.